right, hello, welcome back. I'm Margaret Coates, Superintendent here at Owasso Public Schools, and welcome to another episode of Minutes with Margaret. And today, I have a special guest here, John Beckloff. He's our Director of Child Nutrition, and he's been with the district for several years now. We're so grateful that he's here and all the things that he's done to support our students through the Child Nutrition Department. So one of the cool things that you do is this fine dining experience,
Yes,
and I got to participate in this experience, and it was spectacular. But tell us where it started, how it developed into what it is today.
Sure. So Sodexo's done fine dining for quite a few years. Our goal is really to get kids engaged with food, such as the Future Chef and fine dining. And it went away for a little bit, mainly due to COVID. And so it's something that it's one of my favorite events. And so it's just, let's bring it back. We started at Barnes last year, and we did it just a small little test. And then this year we're hitting every elementary school.
Yes.
And so you got to partake in that.
Got to do it. So what is involved with fine dining? How is the fine dining experience different than just a regular meal in the cafeteria?
Sure. So we have our executive chef, Doug. What he does is a multi-course meal, and it's with the china and the cutlery and chargers, and we have servers.
So
and
all the different forks.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
all the things.
Yep. And we try to get food that's not complicated to eat, but they have to use their fork and knife, such as a deconstructed Caesar salad or something where they actually have to use their cutlery. And so we teach etiquette as they're eating it. That way they know which fork to use and how do you politely eat at a table. And like if you're going out to a restaurant, some of our kids don't get that experience.
Right.
And so we want to bring that experience to them.
Right. My favorite was the deconstructed s'more.
Yep.
That was so good with homemade marshmallows. So really neat experience. The students, I could tell, really enjoyed it and had music going in the background and the whole 9 yards. So as we end here, what's one thing, if you could communicate one thing to our community and parents and teachers and staff, what would that be about child nutrition?
I think the biggest thing is that we want parent involvement. We want feedback. If you want to see the cafeterias, just give my office a call and we'll walk through the cafeteria with you and show you this is what we're doing. We're just excited to bring healthy, nutritious meals to our families.
Awesome. Well, we are excited that you're here and you're doing a great job. We love the child nutrition staff feeding our students so they can have healthy brains and energy throughout the day, and so that helps with their academic achievement and all the things that we support here at school. So thank you so much. And that concludes this episode of Minutes with Margaret.